Hello, my dear friends. Shivateja is back again in front of you guys. I'm sure you would have written your exams really well, and it's time that you are going to write your indirect taxes paper, the last paper of your CA final, of course, of Group 2, and of course, indirect tax is the last exam of your entire CA curriculum. Right. Now, being that this is the last paper, it's very important that you extremely focus a lot and make sure that you utilize every second and every minute of your time so that it will be very effective and optimum utilization is being done. And end of the day, you go and write the exam and come back with extreme amount of satisfaction. And when the time result come, you are very happy and you come out with flying colors. That's the whole objective. And the reason why I'm in front of you now at this moment of time is very clear is that I just want to spare 5 minutes of my time with you so that we can just make out a revision strategy. How do we plan our preparation for 1.5 day what we have got with us, right? For that reason, I'm in front of you guys. Come on. So guys, once you finish off your DT exam, you immediately have got 1.5 day with you for you to write indirect tax paper. My strong recommendation as to how do we utilize this 1.5 day. My simple suggestion is that on the day of GT exam, after GT exam is over, after DT exam is done, you will, let's say you come back home by 6 p.m. because you end up writing exam from 2 to 5. Let's say you come back home by 6 p.m. My humble recommendation is that on the same day, you please try to finish off your customs and foreign trade policy. My revision videos are also available on the YouTube channel. You can make use of them and you can make use of your preparation strategy what you have made of. I mean, last minute, I don't want to tell, read that book, read this book, do that, do this. Ultimately, it's your personal choice. Whichever book you are comfortable with, you do that. Provided subject is the same, concept is the same. That's most important. On that day, please utilize your time on customs and FTP. And when I talk about customs, guys, the logic is very simple. In customs, there are few areas where sure short questions will come in the exam, no doubt about it. Example, we have got some topics like duty drawback. Then we have got a topic of import and export procedure. Duty drawback, ensure that you do a good amount of learning with respect to section 74, 75, 75 and 76. Import export procedure, which deals with how the entire system of import works and how the entire system of export works. Then we have also got some very interesting and important topic known as types of duties, which deals with the concept of safeguard duty, anti-dumping duty, countervailing duty. Some interesting types of duties are there. One question can happily come in the exam where they'll try to test your knowledge on type of duty. Next, one foremost important chapter, valuation, where definitely sure short question will come. And it's very important that you have a clarity of thought what to take as insurance, what to take as freight, when do we take 1.125%, when do we take 20%, what will happen when we import by air, import by sea. All these interesting elements you definitely have to keep in mind. Focus on those areas, don't miss out at all. So these are the important chapters where sure short questions will come in the exam. Of course, there are also some other small topics like, let's say your topic like classification under customs. We also have topic for example miscellaneous provisions. But let me also add one more topic to this list, that is your topic known as baggage rules, where the amount of exemption or the quantum of exemption is different based on whether you're coming from Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, or you're coming from other than Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar. All these interesting points are there. Or your special exemption for one laptop. Some good points are there which are given by the law, especially with relation to baggage rules, my dear friends, 2016. So my recommendation is that on the day when you write DT exam, on the same day, please make sure that you spend very good time on the customs and foreign trade policy and finish one round of preparation so that next day you will have full time with you, full day will be available with you for your preparations of GST. And of course, we know that GST is worth for about 75 marks, customs is for about 25 marks, but still we can't take chance. Every mark is important. because indirect tax paper is one such paper where getting exemption is highly possible. So there is no question of compromise whatsoever. So we have to be very much clear on what we are doing, because exemption is very much possible. Next full day spend time on GST, guys. And when I talk about GST, one foremost interesting topic is valuation under GST, other words value of supply, especially section 15 read with valuation rules. Definitely one short question will come, which could be 4 marks or 6 marks or 10 marks question also possible. Under valuation, no games at all. 10 marks question also can come, guys. Next, there is one unexpected topic known as place of supply. There has been instances where place of supply topic came in exam for 8 marks, and there are also instances where place of supply came for 12 marks, and one instance place of supply came only for 2 marks. That's why I told this is the most unexpected topic, but all said and done, very interesting and important topic. Then we have got one brilliant discussion related to RCM. Next, of course, one important topic known as composition scheme. And now that there are good amendments related to composition scheme, please make sure that you do it for sure in detail. Next, extremely important chapter, input tax credit. These are the predominant chapter where short questions will come. Other side, we have also got topics like registration, time of supply, advance ruling, penalties, refunds, liability to pay tax in certain cases, and we also have topic like returns, TDS and TCS. These topics are those where the possibility of question coming in exam is very high, but we can't tell which topic will for sure come. But these 6 topics are those 5 topics for those which are something where short 100% without any doubt question will come in the exam. Value of supply, place of supply, reverse charge mechanism, composition scheme, and input tax credit, of course, dealt from section 16 to 21 and also read with rule 36 to rule 45. So make sure that you become very perfect with sections as well as rules. And also guys, at CA final level, it's very important that you write every answer along with section number and rule number. And when you do that, definitely you get a better marks. And guys, apart from this, let me strategize your preparation that we know that 70 marks will be descriptive questions. When I say descriptive, it could be a theoretical question or it could be problem solving question. And other side, 30 marks will be your multiple choice question, and of which 2 case studies, guys, where you'll have 20 marks weightage for this, because one case study 10 marks each, 5 questions will be there, multiple choice questions, 2 marks each. Based on that case study, you have to interpret and solve the answer. And to my understanding, one case study will come either from value of supply or from input tax credit combined with value of supply or place of supply. Then 10 independent multiple choice questions will come, where each one will have 1 mark weightage each, and 70 marks will be descriptive, of which some 10 to 15 marks they will directly play on the concept of input tax credit. That's why I keep telling students that input tax credit is one of the most important topic. Please don't play any games with that topic at all. Make sure that you are extremely perfect in that. And not to waste your time, guys, very important that amendments, make sure that you are extremely perfect. Out of 100 marks paper, make definitely, guys, 30 to 40 marks will come from amendments. High possibility, guys. If not 30 marks, 20 marks will come. The amendments have got good weightage, and May exam also did not happen, May 2020 exam. So combination of May 2020 amendments, November 2020 amendments, both they'll combine and ask in November 2020 exam. So no games at all. So if you already prepared your amendments, very good. Please make sure that you revise once again. And if you have not yet done, please do it now. And yet to learn for the first time, my videos are also available. You can watch that videos. Or if you want to read from ICI material, you can make use of supplementary study paper. And at this last minute, last hour, my simple suggestion is that forget it. Which faculty you have taken coaching, where you have studied, where you have taken coaching, which book you have referred, all that you forget it. At this moment of time, at this juncture, which book is comfortable for you, do that. Don't try to run around. and shifting different books. Don't do that. You will go crazy. Indirect taxes, even though it's a very scoring paper, if you screw up, you can screw up very badly also. Don't do that. So first, amendments is very clearly important. Then RTPs and MTPs. And this you have to do of last two attempts, because high possibility that few questions will come straight away from RTPs, MTPs by changing few numbers. Possibility is very high. So we can't take any chance there also. Clear guys? So strategize your preparation. On the day of DT exam, please make sure that you finish off your custom preparation. Next day, that is the day before IDT exam, full day you spend time on GST only, and next day you will have half day time with you. That will be time you will have with you. In that time, you can revise customs once again. But one suggestion is that on the day when you prepare complete GST, end of the day before you sleep, please write down the list of topics where you feel that you are weak, so that next day morning you get up. As soon as you get up, the first thing what you will do is you will revise the topics of GST, and the balance time you can spend time on revision of the customs and FTP, through which you will be prepared and get up for the exam. And one suggestion is that please make sure that you write your multiple choice questions properly in the OMR sheet, circle them. You need not show how you got the answer, just tell them what is the answer, that's all. Circle the correct answer, multiple choice question. And in the descriptive questions, it's not necessary that you have to write in the proper order only. After writing first answer, you can write third answer also. But if there is 1A, 1B, 1C, then don't write 1A, 3B, 2B, 3C. Don't write like that. If first question 3 bits are there, please write all the 3 bits at one place. After the second question you can ignore, third question you can write. Then come to second question. Whatever you are extremely confident, finish writing that first. Wherever you have a sense of little bit of doubt also, you do that at the last. But please don't waste your time. If any question you are stuck, stop it, move forward, and then come back after your time is left. But don't be stuck. Clear guys? Done. This is my last minute suggestion for you as to how do you prepare for your indirect tax paper in 1.5 day what you have got. Do well guys. Wish you all the very best. Wish you all success. I'll definitely be available during your preparation time in this 1.5 day. Any time, any doubt you get, feel free to get back and ask me. I'll be more than happy to answer. Clear right? Thank you so very much. Wish you all success. All the very best. Shivateja signing off. Thank you so much. Wish you all success. Do come out with flying colors. Take care, my dear friends, and do stay safe. Bye bye. Thank you.